Today we're going to change the transfer case fluid of Ford F-150 2016. Just as a quick note, this transfer case comes only in trucks or cars who are all-wheel drive or 4x4. If your car is just frontal traction or rear traction, you don't really need to do this because your car has not this device. We have two plugs, the drain plug and the fill plug. Always we're going to start removing the fill plug just to be sure that we're going to be able to fill out the transfer case. Once this is removed, we will remove the drain plug as well. Then it's time to remove the drain plug. We have already here our pan. Okay, let's clean this thing. It's time to place back the drain plug. I'm going to put a little bit of tread sealant just to avoid leaks. The torque for the drain plug and the fill plug is the same, which in this case is 50 newtons or 133 each pound. Okay, time to fill out the transfer case. I'm going to use this transfer pump. The fluid that I'm going to use is this Motorcraft transfer case fluid, the XL12. We will know that this transfer case has enough fluid, well, when we start to fill it out. When the fluid starts to come out from the filling hole, that means that it has enough oil and we're fine. And this transfer case will need 1.5 quarters, so if you buy 2 liters you will be okay. There you go. Time to place back the fill plug. We're gonna apply again some sealant on it. Let's apply some torque in this one, same as we mentioned before. And finally, we're gonna clean both plugs with a brake cleaner, just to be sure that we don't have any leak. And that's it. Thank you.